Hello everyone. Welcome to my series on English grammar. What are conjunctions? Do they confuse you? Conjunctions are joining words. They join two words, two phrases, and two clauses. So, what are the most confusing conjunctions? If you want to learn about them and you want to avoid making mistakes, watch this video till the end. This is Rekha Sharma. Let's start the video. You will learn about certain pairs of conjunctions which are often misused. Neither nor, hardly or scarcely when, no sooner than. They are used in pairs. So remember this, learn them. And not only but also. So they are also known as negative words. If a sentence begins with any one of the negative words like neither, hardly, scarcely, no sooner, not only, then what should be the word order? The word order should be inverted. Inverted means after neither, after hardly, after scarcely, after no sooner or not only, we should use a helping verb, then subject, and then main verb. That is the correct word order. And we often make mistakes in the word order. That's why the sentence is wrong. So, what is the correct word order? Neither does she learn nor does she write. This is the correct order. Because after neither, we have used helping verb before the subject. More examples. Hardly or scarcely when. That is the pair used. Hardly, scarcely did I reach my office, then the meeting started. This sentence is incorrect. Two mistakes. What are those two mistakes? First is did and the second is then. We write when, not then. So, what should be written here? When. And why? What is the error? We have used here helping verb. So, what is the mistake? Because the main verb is reached and we use only first form. So, remember this. So, what should be the correct sentence? Let's see. Hardly or scarcely had I reached. In place of did, we have to use had. Had I reached my office when the meeting started. And when we will use did? When there is first form of the verb, main verb. Let's see more examples. Not only but also. Again, not only I helped my friend, also dropped her office on time. This is also incorrect. Okay. So the mistake is again in the word order and the pair is also not used correctly, but also should be used. So let's see the correct sentence. Not only did I help my friend, but also dropped her office on time. This is the correct one. Because we have used here helping verb and we have used the pair correctly. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, they are followed by the same part of speech. That is also the rule. For example, he not only lost his money but also his ticket. So, two nouns should be used while using not only but also. But this sentence is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because not only is used before lost, not before money. Okay. So, the correct order is he lost not only his money but also his ticket. So, two parts of speech are joined, money or ticket, by using not only but also. So, remember this. Sometimes these pair of conjunctions, they join two parts of speech of the same kind. Two nouns, two verbs, two adjectives. Okay, remember that. Similarly, next one, he washed neither his hands nor his feet. So, again, his hands or feet, they are joined by neither nor. Next negative word, no sooner than. Okay. No sooner I had closed my eyes when I heard a loud noise. So, two errors are here in the word order and the pair also, pair word. So, what is the pair word used here? Than, not when. So, here we should use than. But what is the word order? We have to use helping verb. So, no sooner had I. Okay. Had I closed my eyes then I heard a loud noise. This is the correct sentence. Let's see the correct sentence. No sooner had I closed my eyes than I heard a loud noise. This is the correct one. So we have used the inverted word order, and also we have used here than, because no sooner than pair is used. One more example, no sooner the police arrived than the crowd began to rush. This is also incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because again the word order is wrong. So what is the correct word order? Here we have used did. In place of had we have used. Why? Because arrive is the first form. When the main verb is in the first form, then we use did. When the main verb is in the third form, then we use had. Remember. So both can be correct. You have to see the sentence. So no sooner did the police arrive than the crowd began to rush. Whether or. This pair is used. I wondered that the teacher will approve my project or not. मुझे मैं डर लगा है कि टीचर मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को अप्रूव करेगा या नहीं करेगा. I wonder. So here doubt, uncertainty is there. So that is wrong. What should be used here? Whether. I wonder whether the teacher will approve my project or not. Because with or the pair is whether or, not that or. Okay, remember this. Lest, should. When we use lest, it should be followed by should. I asked my friend to run fast lest she would miss the bus. कहीं बस मिस ना हो जाए. In that sense. So would is used here. That is wrong. What is the correct? She should miss the bus. I asked my friend to run fast lest she should miss the bus. But we use would or may with else. Would or may is used with else. Reach school on time else you should miss the exam. So should is wrong here. With else we use would. So we have used here would. Reach school on time else you would miss the exam. Some more negative words: until, unless, if not. They should not be followed by not. Means they are negative in sense. Unless, until, if not, they are negative in sense. We can't use double negative with them. For example, wait for me until I do not come back. See, do not come back. Double negative is used. Until itself is a negative word, but we have used do not also. So this is wrong. What is the correct sentence? Wait for me until I come back. Unless he does not work hard, he will not pass. Again, unless, negative word, we can't use does not, double negative we can't use. So correct form is unless he works hard, he will not pass. जब तक वो मेहनत नहीं करेगा वो पास नहीं होगा. So in that sense we use it. Rather is followed by than. Remember, rather is followed by than. She would rather study at home instead of or than going to movie. Than going to movie. More pairs, same, that, such as, such that. Okay. Where we use he is the same man who murdered the woman. But same is used with that, not who. So here that is correct. She is such a great actress as or that everyone should watch a movie. She is such a great actress. So such or as, not that. We also use such or that when, in what case? The extent of the earthquake was such as that the rescue team was unable to cope. So what was the result of the earthquake? When the earthquake happened or occurred, it was so severe that the rescue team was not able to cope up with, not able to provide help to the victims. So when we mention the result after emphasizing the degrees of something. So here we want to say the earthquake was very severe. That's why it was such that. Now here that is correct, not as, because here the rescue team was unable to cope because of the intensity of the earthquake. Again, we use the pair as or so as. Where to use as in affirmative sentence and so as in negative sentence. Remember this. She is so intelligent as her father. It's not negative, so this is wrong. And what is the correct one? She is as intelligent as her father. She is not as fat as her sister. This is a negative sentence. We can't use as, so this is wrong. we'll be using she is not so fat as her sister. Next pair is though, yet, other than, both and. They are used together. Remember this? Though he is poor, but or yet he is happy. Two contrasting things. वो गरीब है लेकिन खुश है, तो यहाँ but नहीं यूज होगा, विल बी यूजिंग yet. दो और yet का पेयर होता है. और sometimes we don't write yet, we put comma only. The meaning is understood. He has no other reason but or than his ill health. So with other we use than, not but. In English, we just use one conjunction to join two phrases, two clauses, two words. Double conjunctions are not used. Because he is sincere in his efforts, so he will succeed in his mission. So or because, double conjunction. So we can't use. This is wrong. How can we say the same sentence? Because he is sincere in his efforts, he will succeed in his mission. He is sincere in his efforts, so he will succeed in his mission. We can also write the same sentence in this way also. Though he is weak, still he can climb the tree. We can't use still because though, yet, or we can also put comma in place of yet. Though he is weak, he can climb the tree. As he is fat, so he can't dance. As he is fat, he can't. Again, double conjunctions can't be used. So this is wrong. Correct sentence is as he is fat, he can't dance. He is fat, so he can't dance. In that sense, we can use so. So we can both the sentences are correct. Next confusing pair is since or because. Cause and effect, both of them show cause and effect relationship, but since also denotes time. Remember this. Since he had brought cake last night, we had a party. So last night denoting time. So we have used here since. We had a party because he had brought cake. Okay, we had a party because he had brought cake. So this is also correct. So thank you very much, and I hope you have understood the meaning or the concept. Your confusion is over. Do watch the video. Thank you so much.